let's take a look at this problem. We got 3 square root of 80 minus 4 square root of 125 plus square root of 20. Now, whenever you're adding and subtracting radical expressions, the radicals have to be exactly the same. The number underneath the radical has to be the same. The index has to be the same. Well, obviously, we got 80, 125, and 20. These aren't the same. But it looks like we can simplify these. And I think the best way to do this, I guess I'll try to do it vertical over here. Okay, let's look at the prime factorization of 80. 2, 4, 8, 16 times 5. So 2, 4, 8, 16, and then, yeah. Now, for 80, we got 2 times 40. I'm just trying to gauge how much room I need. So 2's prime, so we circle it. 40 is 2 times 20. 2's prime, so I circle it. 20 is 2 times 10. 2's prime, so I circle it. And 10 is 2 times 5. 2's prime, so I circle it. And 5's prime, so I circle it. Minus 4. Okay, I'm going to have plenty of room. There's 125 is, what is 125? 5 times 25? Yeah. So 5 times 5 times 5. If I do it over here, I start with my first prime 2. It's not divisible by 2. Reason why it'd have to end with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. It's not divisible by 3, my next prime. Because if I add digits together, 1 plus 2 plus 5, that gives me 8. So my next prime is 5, and since it ends with a 5, it is divisible by 5. So that goes in there 2 and then 25. So 5's prime, so I circle it. And 25 is 5 times 5. And 5's are prime, so I circle them. Plus, then 20 is 2, 4 times 5. If I do it over here, 20 is 2 times 10. 2's prime, so I circle it. And 10 is 2 times 5. 2's prime, so I circle it. And 5's prime, so I circle it. Well, these are square roots, which means we're looking for pairs of something. Here's a pair of 2's. They're going to come out in front as a single 2. And here's a pair of 2's. They're going to come out in front as a single 2. Here's a pair of 5's. They're going to come out as a single 5. And here's a pair of 2's. They're going to come out as a single 2. Now, when they come out, they're multiplied by whatever's already out there, plus they multiply times each other. So those pairs of 2's comes out as a single 2, and this pair of 2's comes out as a single 2. And again, see how they're times, then 5, minus 4 times, we'll bring out this pair of 5's as a single 5. Leaves us 5 there. And this pair of 2's come out as a single 2, and left with 5. It's too early. Sit up to 3:30 last night working in these videos. I'm still kind of groggy this morning. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6, times 2 is 12. Square root of 5. Minus 4 times 5 is 20. Square root of 5. Plus 2. Square root of 5. Now notice on all of these, they're all the square root of 5. Which means I'll add or subtract the numbers that are in front of them. In this case, we have 12 minus 20, which is negative 8, plus 2 is negative 6. So our answer will be negative 6 square root of 5.